Hello everyone. In this video we will see how we can connect Odoo as backend of the Prestashop. We have installed Prestashop in our system. This is the admin panel where you can manage the details of Prestashop. This is the admin panel of Prestashop installed in our local. You can manage the details like products, categories, the orders, customers, shipping. Then you can set the web services, etc. You can manage the database related operations from the PHP My Admin panel. This is the actual Prestashop site from where customers can order their products. We have installed it using LAMP. On the Odoo side, we have installed the Prestashop OpenERP connector module, which is available on OCA GitHub repository. We have extended some of the functionalities. Along with it, we have also installed cron run manually module, which will allow us to manually run the cron jobs, and that's how we don't need to wait for cron jobs to run at particular time. To connect this Odoo instance with our Prestashop, we need to create the backend. So you can just go to connectors menu, go to backends, click on create, give a particular appropriate name to this backend, the name of a company. Then you can select the version from the list. In the location, you are supposed to specify the Prestashop location. The next is the web service key. From the admin panel, you can see the menu advanced parameters. Under that, there's one menu called web service. You can go there and check for the Prestashop keys. If not available, you can add a new key. You can specify the description of the key and should specify the access rights. When you click on generate, the system will generate a unique key for it. You can save it. You need to enable the Prestashop's web services and save this instance. Then and only then Prestashop will be able to connect with Odoo. We will copy that web service key in Odoo. Then we will specify the warehouse over here and we will save this record. Now, in order to synchronize the basic data like language, currency, text with the Prestashop, we need to click on synchronize base data. Once the base data is synchronized, it is time to fetch the websites and stores information from the Prestashop. So we will click on synchronize metadata. Once it's done, you can go to websites to see if it is imported and the stores. Let's see what are the products we have on Prestashop. We can create the product categories from the categories menu. We will add one product. You can provide tags for this product. You can set the price of a product from the prices menu. You can specify the category of this product by going into the associations menu. For now, it is put it under the main root category, which is home category. We will select mobile as well. And at the last, we will set the quantities of this product. We'll save the product record. So you can see we have in all 9 products over here. Now let's see how we can import those products in the Odoo. Go to backends. You can see under imports, import product categories and products is available. Just click on import in background. So system will create job to import the product categories and product from the Prestashop, from the Prestashop location that you have specified in the backend. It will create the jobs which will start fetching the information. As it is a cron job, we will manually run this job, so we are not supposed to wait too long for this to be completed. As you can see here, the filter is applied. You can see the done jobs by removing this filter. Once the import of products and product categories is over, you can check if we have received the same product categories on Odoo. You can see that by clicking on Sales menu, go to Configuration, and under Product Categories and Attributes, click on Product Categories. You can see at the end we have the same categories from the Prestashop. You can click on products to see if we have fetched the products too. Yes, we have. But as you can see that we don't have proper product quantity over here as we have on the Prestashop. To manage this quantity, we will import the stock quantities, and to do that we go to the backend. Click on import stock quantities. It will again generate the job process. We can use the job process to run it manually from the NQ jobs. Once the import for the product quantities is over, you can check the same by going to the products menu. We have imported the proper quantities. Now it's time to order some products from the shop. Refresh the page. You can see we have a product 1+1 over here. We'll add this product to the cart and we will try to check out. Provide the login details, and the next step it will ask for us to provide the personal information. We will register as we are the new customer on this site. In the next, it will show you the list of available shippers. You can select one of them and click the terms of services. You can now select the payment method and finally click on place my order. So we have ordered one product from this shop. Let's go to orders from the admin panel. We will see the list of the orders and we can see the status of the orders as well. Once the order is created, we can import those orders in Odoo. Go to the backend and click on import sale orders since. You can specify a particular date since when you want to import the sale orders from the Prestashop. If you don't specify any value, it will import all the sale orders available on the shop. It will again create the job and we will manually run these jobs. Once the jobs for importing the orders is finished, you can refer to the sales menu and in quotation you can see the orders which is in draft state. You can confirm this sale order. You can create invoice for this order. You can also pay the amount for this invoice from here only. So now this invoice is in done state. Let's check the status of the order on Prestashop site. You can see the order is now in payment accepted status. You can perform some other operations just like importing the refunds, suppliers, payment methods, carriers, etc. You can also export the stock quantities, which means if the quantities of products in Odoo is changed, you can reflect the same on Prestashop by clicking on export stock quantities. So this is how you can connect Odoo as backend with Prestashop. Thank you so much for watching.